Hi everyone, welcome to today's lesson on Article 2 of the UNCRC. Thank you for joining and let's get straight to it. Article 2 of the UNCRC state that countries should take appropriate measures to ensure that children are protected against all forms of discrimination or punishment, regardless of their status, opinions, or beliefs, or family members. And we know that many countries have set up arms of government that deal specifically with children's rights issues. For example, in Jamaica, they have the Child Protection Agency, and in Germany, they have the Kinderbeauftragte Bureau. It's just another name for the Children's Rights Office. Okay, so in the daily implementation of the UNCRC, we know that it is the people who are working on a daily basis with children. They're the ones involved, or they're the ones implementing the UNCRC. So in places like Europe, for example, children should not be discriminated against based on their status. In a multicultural society like Europe, where migration levels are high, it is important that people working with children know the articles of the CRC. For example, in the CRC, it states that no child should be denied education based on their legal status. So it doesn't matter whether or not the child is a legal immigrant or an illegal immigrant. That child, it should not be denied education based on the legal status. So if I'm working in a school where the migrant population is high, and a child came to me and say, "Oh, I am afraid to attend school because I am afraid that the people working for the migration office, they will come in and get me." Of course, the worker in this situation, she or he, they cannot really tell the migration workers don't get the child. However, they know that they should not be afraid to have the child in their classroom and teach the child just like they would teach any other child, because the UNCRC state that no child should be denied education based on their legal status. In places like Jamaica, or maybe in some African countries where migration rates are not that high, there are other forms of discrimination. For example, no child should be discriminated against based on disabilities. So it is important that people working in that field are working with children with disability. They know what the UNCRC says as it regards to discrimination. So thank you for watching. And remember today that Article 2 of the UNCRC state that no child should be discriminated against based on their status, based on their activities, based on their religious belief, or even the family members. So before I go, as always, you know I'm going to tell you about my book, Resilience. Let me show you the cover. Resilience by Trisha Morrison. I know many people are getting the book. Many people have told me, especially from Jamaica, "Oh, Trisha, we don't have Amazon. How can I get the book?" Guys, go to a bookstore, ask them to order it on Amazon for you. And please remember, those of you in Europe who have fast access to Amazon, please, when you read the book, I know many people have bought the book, many people have read it, but many people, you didn't write a comment on Amazon. Go and write a comment on Amazon, an honest comment. So thank you for joining today and have a good week. Bye.